That's a weird place to go fishing, isn't it? That's what I'm going to do today, just make noises because I can't speak. Hey. Smoking in a work vehicle, on the phone in a work vehicle. Was it a work vehicle or was it a removals van? I don't know. Either way, what's up? It makes you wonder, doesn't it? Because the thing is, mobile telephones, yeah, modern mobile telephones, not the ones from like 1980s, they have like loudspeaker. There's no reason to hold it anymore. You don't need to hold your phone. You can just swipe to answer the fucking thing and then just put it on the seat. I don't know, why do people still hold their phone in their hand and speak? I don't understand. There's like literally no need for it whatsoever. Because he's not got it to his ear, so he's already on loudspeaker. We've established that, yeah? We've detectified that he's on loudspeaker because he's got it in his hand, okay? Why don't you just put it on the seat or put it on like the dash somewhere, anywhere in the van? You can still hear what the person is. It doesn't need to be in your hand, okay? Sound doesn't travel through your hand, up your arm, through your shoulders, into your ears, does it? It comes through the speaker. Just put it on the fucking seat, you knobhead. Fucking idiot. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Are we going to speed up? 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 God, a truck can't get through until you move, you knobhead. Go, 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 go. You're not on the phone, are you? No, you're not. Of course not. You knobend. Somebody please tell that man that his phone has loudspeaker. He doesn't need to hold it up to his fucking ear. You got a great idea? Yeah. What's your great idea? Yeah? 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 Oh, before you tell me about your great idea, would you just do me one favour? Would you shout special? Special! Louder. Special! Thank you. On my side. On this way, see? Is the main point in that it? Baby girl, shout special! Special! Oh, thank you.
Seriously?
What do you expect? Is it a cyclist in full colour?
Well, at least it's in full colour. I suppose that's one good thing.
That's so you can see them and you can aim towards them and you can hit them more precisely.
And they meant to like stick their hand out. If they're going to go right, stick the right hand out. If they're going to go left, stick the left hand out.
No, that's asking too much, isn't it? They're not that intelligent.
Oh.
No. That's about how intelligent cyclists are in Bristol, by the way. They're not intelligent, if that's what you're wondering. What on earth? How? I don't know, guys. I have no idea. I literally got no idea. Could you stop kicking my seat, please?
I'm not kicking.
Well, what are you doing then?
I'm headbutting it.
You're headbutting my seat?
Yeah.
So you haven't got your straps on, have you? Right, that's it. I'm calling the police now.
No.
Yeah, the policeman will take you away and grind you up into little bacon sandwiches. Put your belt on properly, or I have to stop and do it for you. Are they on now? Are your straps on? Are your straps on? Right, that's it. We're going to pull over. We're going to get the policeman. Right, where is he? Whoop, whoop.
On.
Oh, he's on now, is it? Is your belt on now? Yes, it is. Good.
Let go.
What? I can't go. There's cars in front. Can you remember a little while ago I said the next time a BMW gets up my ass, I'm going to have some fun with it? Let's drive sensibly. Because she's texting as well. Let's drive the speed limit, yeah? Very careful pull away. Don't want a wheel spin, do we, MaisieMoo? No. Very, because it's wet as well. It's a bit wet. I don't want to slide around all over the place, so we've got to go reasonably cautious today. Roundabout, not bad. Excellent roundabout skills, MaisieMoo. Thank you. Let's get up to 20 miles an hour again. Gently. We don't want to slide around because we're on I can't say it. Rear wheel drive today. We want to go steady going around corners. We don't want to spin out, do we, MaisieMoo? No, we don't want to spin out and get crushed into by BMWs that are too close.
Yeah.
No, we don't. Speed bump, hold on. Speed bump, wait there.
Oh,
Oh no, bumpy, my poor booty. Oh, hang on, we're going 22 miles an hour. We don't want to be doing that. We don't want to be going too fast, MaisieMoo. Slow down a bit, slow down a bit. Is she doing her makeup now? Is she doing? I haven't got time to look around and stare at her mirror, but is she? Right, we got a tight right hander coming up, MaisieMoo. Hold tight, MaisieMoo. Hold tight. I'll make sure there's no cyclists of. Oh no, BMW's gone. No! Baby girl. Say special.
Special.
And once again, say special.
Special.
Say yogurt monkey.
Good monkey.
Thank you. If you're one of those people that tailgate somebody who's going the speed limit and you're like, no, I don't want to go 20 miles an hour. I don't agree with the 20 limit. Let's just get up this person's ass and try and push them along. If you're one of those people that does that, why do you do that? Because it doesn't work. If anything, it just makes the person you're tailgating slow down to wind you up. So, do you really, let me know in the comments, do you really think that getting up someone's ass is going to speed them up? Because it just doesn't, okay? Just let me know in the comments if you're one of those people and why you do it, because I'm intrigued, man. I'm intrigued. What are they doing, Maisie? Are they like stopped there having a chat, or are they arguing about who's going to go first? Because what's going on, MaisieMoo? No, they're not driving, are they? They're being a bit silly. Alright, here we go. Let's go. You gonna go? Are you gonna go? Are you gonna go? Are you gonna go? No, you're just gonna sit there. That's fine. That's fine as well. Do you see why now? Do you see why I didn't let people go? What, MaisieMoo? I know I've said it before in a video, but I'm not being nasty. I'm not being horrible to these people. But when I let people go, they just sit there and they do nothing. They do absolutely. Absolutely nothing.
Talking, baby.
I am talking, Maisie. I'm allowed to talk, MaisieMoo.
Faster.
What?
Faster.
Faster?
Yeah.
I can't go faster, baby girl. We've got to wait for the engine to warm. You can't go fast with a cold car.
Where?
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Where?
We've got to wait for it to warm up and then we can go fast. What I mean is go the maximum speed limit.
Go. Go.
I can't. It's a red light.
Faster.
I can't go faster. We've got to stop.
Faster.
No.
People.
Where's the people?
Care, front.
There's no one in front.
People.
You're seeing things.
Help.
No, there's no people there.
No.
There's a house everywhere, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll go fast now if you want.
Wow, great.
Yeah, cool, isn't it? Yeah, yeah. Car thief! Car thief! And yes, in Bristol, thief is spelt with an F.